Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Ahana and I make YouTube videos. I post shorts every day and a full form video on every Sunday. I know I haven't been consistent, but dal to rahi hu na is Sunday. Usi mein khush ho jao. And now you must be wondering if you're watching me from a really long time that मैंने आज ये intro voice over में क्यों दिया है. That is because बहुत महीनों बाद एक Q&A शूट करने की खुशी में मैं intro शूट करना ही भूल गई. So now bear with it and let's get started with the video. By the way, this is the look that we'll be creating today. Let's get going. मैंने थोड़े से क्वेश्चंस ही शॉर्टलिस्ट किए हैं, मैं यहाँ पे लिखती जाऊंगी. So the first question is, hey, how are you doing lately? I've been good. Nothing so specific, I would say. Just how I was the last time I met you all for a Q&A. That's all I can say for now. It's not been very good. It's not been very bad. I'm neutral. Some days have been good. Some days have been very low for me, but yeah, I'm trying to keep up with it. मैं co-related questions पूछूंगी एक के बाद एक so that it doesn't come across as a surprise. So the second question is, why were you so inconsistent? बहुत टाइम हो गया इस बात को, पता नहीं इतनी बार प्रॉमिस करने के बाद भी क्यों नहीं बनाया मैंने एक Q&A about this. But जब बीच में बहुत लंबा ब्रेक आ गया था, like a few months I remember, not just on the long form videos but also on the short content, was because मेरा फोन खराब हो गया था. And that was a low moment for me, I remember, because not just मेरा फोन खराब हो गया था but जो भी डाटा मेरे पास था वो भी करप्ट हो गया था. So 4 full form videos, a get ready with me, 2 food reviews, and I think 1 was a Q&A video, and lots of short content. I was just back from Delhi right after that. Right, I was back from Delhi and I lost all the data and I was just shattered because उसमें ऐसी चीजें भी थी that I can't just go on like कि ठीक है ना फिर से बुला लेती. So my friend went to Pakistan, she bought a lot of stuff. I review all that for you guys. मैं hardly एक दो वीडियो डाल पाई and the response on those videos were great, but rest everything was just gone. So I think that is one reason that I was just like, ऐसा बहुत बार होता है मेरे साथ, like through these years of my YouTube. ये thought कई बार मेरे दिमाग में आया that maybe in the long run this is not something that I can do, but the thought that comes across simultaneously is that I just don't want to stop it. So I think this was one of the reasons. उसके बाद भी बीच में वही है अगला question, that how was your 2024? I think it wasn't my best year for sure. Not that I have a lot to complain about, but definitely compared to other years that I've had in the past, it wasn't my best year for sure. I think in terms of personal growth, I still think I've done okay. But in terms of career and my channel, I haven't achieved a lot that I expected. I think since my 2023 was better year for sure for me, तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा high hopes आ गई थी from this year. But it's okay. Not all years or all days are, that the sun is shining bright and you have your best days type of days. ठीक है, I haven't entered 2025 with those baggages, but yeah, I think my energy was low at the moment. कई बार मुझे ऐसे thoughts आते थे that I don't want to continue with this, but back in my head I knew that I want to. The next question is, what's my update on YouTube career and what am I looking forward to? Nothing, yeah. As you all know that currently I'm an undergraduation student और मेरा final year चल रहा है. तो मेरा तो ये plan था ही. From the start I knew that until I finish my graduation, even if I'm pursuing masters ahead, I will be continuing my YouTube. वो side by side चलता ही रहेगा because it's not doing any harm as such. I'm planning to do my masters in English literature and I'll also be preparing for some competitive exams, and of course I'm going to keep you guys updated. Hopefully I will keep you guys updated. People often fat shame you and ask you to dress a certain way according to your body type. What do you have to say about that, and how do you take hate and criticism? I'm someone who's very self-aware. You don't have to walk up to me telling me that, oh, that's wrong. Look, love, I know, alright? So I don't think I need to hear people telling me that I look a certain way or I've gained weight over a period of time. I am someone who knows of it. I'm aware of who I am. So I don't take it at all. They have already been saying me, do you think there's any difference? So I don't take it upon me at all. hey Ahana, you look very confident, but are there things that bother you? Thank you so much for the compliment, first of all. Yeah, I mean, of course, yeah. We're all human beings at the end of the day, and we all have our insecurities. I do think that there are some things that kind of bother me, but then if I look at the upper side of it, I am also someone who cannot hold on to things very easily. Like how I get mad onto a lot of things very easily. मैं बहुत जल्दी irritate हो जाती हूँ, and I'm someone who's very short tempered, but I'm also someone who lets go easy. So there are days when I wake up with the thought that, oh my god, what's going on, and I panic, and I make sure everyone around me also is panicking because of that. Within a few hours I'm like, fine, it is what it is wala attitude. So ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ी unbothered type की हूँ मैं. You all bother me sometimes by not watching my YouTube video. Oh, watch it. And जहाँ तक बात रही how do I take hate, I just take it in a positively. I think they are my fans. They are insecure of themselves. The fact that they look a certain way but they can't dress according to what they want and I can. So that's how I take it. For me in life, it also includes my parents, that what they think or what they say also have come secondary. So these people so don't even matter. They grew me up in a way, they let me do what I want, and I don't think there's anything beyond that matters to me. The next question is a really interesting one, and my mom had a big laugh on that. Why do you only hang out with your mom? Don't you have any friends? See, my mom is my best friend. I've said this before in many of my videos that I didn't always have this amazing relationship with my mom, and it's been बहुत थोड़ा time हुआ है since I've started to kind of gel along with her so much. And there were times in life when I was just kind of backstabbed with my friends, and जब nobody was there ना, there were days when she was there for me. And I know for a fact that there can be a chance me getting harmed or hurt by my friends, but I know for sure that there won't be a day where she's going to do anything like that. And I am also someone who doesn't like to keep a bunch of friends from the start. I have few friends and they've been a constant in my life. We know you're in a relationship. Any thoughts? Let's just do some highlighting, guys. यार देखो, if you all already know, तो इसमें question क्या है फिर? तुम्हें तो पहले से ही पता है ना. According to you, I am in one. तो मतलब क्या conversation है इसमें? हमारी तो deal हो चुकी है. If you have seen my previous Q&A videos, I've said it multiple times that 1 million views and अगले ही दिन आ जाऊंगी मैं तुम्हें शादी का कार्ड देने. And I'm not even joking about this. I am someone who is very straightforward, alright, and I don't think I'm someone who does a lot of shit. इसलिए शायद मेरे बारे में बात भी होती है in between my relatives and family. I would like to connect the dots. So तुम लोग 1 million views ला दो. Tell us about your personal life and updates on things you do on a daily basis. It's a very simple one actually. I wake up, I study, I eat, I spend time with my family, I meet my friends, I have my things, I shoot videos, I go out, I do shopping. A large part of my life is spent decluttering and organizing because I have so much saman. Like my mummy says, गुन्नू का दहेज. मैं तब से eyeshadow ही नहीं लगा पाई हूँ, इतनी बात कर रही हूँ. Yeah, so I have my own things and I really love art and craft. मेरा me time enjoy करने का time या मेरा coping mechanism apart from food is really like doing some therapeutic art and craft in my own room. And I love binge watching series and movies. And after I've seen a movie, I love rewatching it with my mom because मुझे पता है epic reactions आएंगे. I love doing makeup. There are times जब मुझे कहीं नहीं जाना होता है, मैं आधी रात को अपने कमरे में ready हो रही होती हूँ. My father comes in like, hey, what are you doing? I'm like, अभी मैं ready होके photos खींचने वाली हूँ आधी रात को. So I love doing all these things. Yeah, and my mom saying dancing. Yeah. सबके आगे भी on functions and all I'm okay, but अपने कमरे में अकेले नाचना तो is like, I'm the best dancer, but you wouldn't know because I won't post. What is your equation with your family, other family members? Okay. ठीक है, मतलब nothing so specific. You'll ask me a lot of questions about Papa also. Not everyone is very camera friendly. ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है that he has a problem with me doing YouTube या he asks me not to do it. Of course, he's someone, he says you do it. And with other people, I do have some people in my life who support my YouTube channel. And of course, यार सबको पता है रिश्तेदार कैसे होता है. So some of them, of course, they bitch about me and they say a lot of things. But same thing when their kids are doing, they're fine. So again, उतनी importance मैं नहीं देती. The next question is, will you be doing some different videos and posting videos continuously? I would try to post continuously at least, ये मैं बोलना चाहूँगी. मैं ये नहीं बोलना चाहती कि हाँ करूँगी, पता चला फिर ना कर पाऊँ. बट ऑफकोर्स यार कोशिश तो यही रहेगी कि अब मैं रेगुलरली पोस्ट करूँ. एंड ऑफकोर्स डिफरेंट वीडियोज़ फॉर श्योर. डू लेट मी नो अगर कोई स्पेसिफिक टाइप की वीडियोज़ है जो तुम देखना चाहते हो. आई वुड लव टू डू दोज फॉर यू गाइज. सब कुछ आ जाएगा मुझे, बस मस्कारा लगाना कभी नहीं आएगा. And last but not the least, lots and lots of love comments and wishes that you all send by my way. So many of you all said that we are glad with the work you're doing. We love watching your videos. We open YouTube every night just to see your short. I come back from college to only see your short. And so much love on my recent videos that's been coming and the growth we've been showing. Okay, I know it's a slow process, but it's been a great one for me. It's been a journey where I've learned so much about myself. It's gotten so much acceptance in me in every way possible. I'm nothing but grateful about it. Yes, and that's what my makeup towards the end looks like. I keep it very simple. I keep it very basic. And thank you for loving me. Thank you for watching my videos. And if you all liked it and you want me to do more full form videos, so please let me know your ideas in the comment. If kuch aisa specific you want to see, with my last video going a little, I don't want to say no nazar, so I did get a lot of comments about different types of ideas. I am definitely gonna watch it, work on it and execute it for you guys. Lots and lots of fun content coming up on shorts very very soon. I'm planning to do what's in my bag video next, so do let me know what all you like to carry in your bags and be ready to see what's in mine. Till then, you all know the drill. I'm gonna see you guys next time with another video very very soon. Till then, please watch my old videos and subscribe for more. Bye.